Hey everyone, welcome to another Figma design video. So the video of today will be designing this gym website landing page, as you can see on your screen. So it's not a very complicated design, actually it's a very simple design. So first of all we have this, so we assume this is the logo of the website or the gym. Then we have the navigation bar and the links, that is home, schedule, gallery, services, contact. Then we have these social media icons where the users can click to go to their Facebook page or Twitter page or Instagram page. Then we have this background image of our model right there. Then we have this big text. Then we have this big button, this call action button where the users can click to become a member. Then we have this YouTube button. So it's a very simple landing page. So so let's start. So the first thing you know, let's create a new design file. So we are going to name it let's give it a name. Let's name it maybe gym underscore website. The next thing we need to do is we need to create a frame. So we select frame. So you are going to use let's use a MacBook 14 Pro. Yeah, that's good. So where do we start? I think the first thing we should do, let's look for this picture of our model right here. So as you have seen in my previous videos, so we use a plugin called Unsplash. So with Unsplash you can get all the images for free, any image you can think of. So we are looking for gym. Let's search for gym pictures. Yeah, and here we have all these gym pictures. So if you want to use any of these images, you just have to click and it will be downloaded and it will be populated in our what do you call it, in our preview right here. So let's look for our image. I think we can use this one. So you just click and it will be added in our frame, just like that. So we just replaced this image with this image. Maybe we can change it later, we will see. So the next thing we are going to do is design this logo. So we are going to select text right there, then click on our frame right there. So what's the name of the gym? It's called fitness. So fitness. So this is the color we are going to use. So it's a pop-in text, it's bold and 30 points. So we select text, then search for pop-ins. It's bold and let's do 30 pixels. Oh yeah, let's do that again. Pop-ins, bold, 30 pixels. That's it right there. So to change the color of the text, you select the text first, then fill the color. So we'll just copy the color. So Control C, back to our tab, Control V. there it is, that's our color. So the next thing is this icon. Yeah, this is just an icon. I got it from Fontosum. Yes, I got it from Fontosum icons. I don't remember the name of the icon, but let's look for it. I think it's a rock. No. Basket. No. I'm sorry, I don't remember the name of that icon. But you can just select another icon. Let's see which is nearer to a gym. Can use this one. So here it is. Let's change the color so that we can able to see it. Yeah, so going to drag this right there. So this is our logo. We can actually group it. So to group it, you just hold shift key, then select both items, then Ctrl G. Then you can name that group our logo. So you may be wondering what is grouping. So when you group things together, you can easily move the group together. You don't have to move the icon differently and the text differently. So when you group, you can move them together so they are like one. Oh, what happened? Like that. Right there. So what's next? Next we have these navigation bar links and social media icons. So here we used Poppins. I think it's Poppins. Then we had this same color as the logo. So come here, select text. Then our first is home, Seju gallery. Okay. Let's use 20 pixels. Yeah, 20 pixels is good. So the next one ahead. What's the next one? Seju gallery. So we have Seju. Here we have gallery. The next one we had services and contacts. Services. And contacts. So let's change the color of this, assuming this is the active link of home, so it would be orange. So what's next? Next we had social media icons. So to get social media icons, we are going to use the same plugin as Font Awesome icons. So the first one was Facebook, right there. So here it is. You can't see it because it's black. So let's change its colors to, let's try blue. Yeah. And we move it right there. The next one was Twitter, I think. Twitter. Let's change it color to blue. Then move it right there. The next one was Instagram. Here it is. Change its color to orange. Right there, just like that, our navigation bar is complete. So let's align all these. Distribute horizontal spacing and align them. So far we have our navigation bar ready right there. So let's move on next. Next we had this text. So this text is also pop in bold, 80 pixels. So come back to our frame, select text, then paste the text there. You can just type, I just copied from the other website, so you can just type, let's align it right there. So I minimized the text so that it does not overlap on our model right here. So yeah, so far so good. So what was next? The next was this correction button. So to create that button, you're going to select a shape. You're going to use rectangular, click and create that button, then use orange color, then select text, type in text, become a member. So let's minimize the text so that it can fit on our button. So I'll give it maybe a 30 pixels. Yeah, 30 is good. So if you wanted to create, what do you call it, corner radius, you just select the shape, then on this is the part where you are going to enter how many pixels you want to shape on the button. So if you select 10 pixels, you see we have cut 10 pixels on every corner of the button. Actually it looks good like that, so you're going to do this like that. So what was next? Next was this YouTube button. So to get the YouTube button, you use the same plugin for icons, for awesome icons. Search for YouTube. Here it is. So there it is. Change the color to red, then move it there. So to make it big, we are going to give it let's see, what did we give this one? This one had a 90 by 80, so width 90, height 80 pixels, and there you have it. I think that's a very cool landing page for a gym website. Yeah, and I think for today we are going to stop there. So maybe you can tell me on the comment, what do you want us to build, either a website or an app? Tell me in the comment where you want us to build, and then we can build it together. So thank you for watching. See you on the next video.